What's going on, traders? So as I came in today, I saw this trend line working up higher. We have a two-legged pullback down and a new high. So from this point on, according to trend line rules, the uptrend should be over. And I also was trying to identify the key levels. We have a double top right here and multiple bottoms right here. And I knew that the key levels would come into play later on in the day. And we have a failed break high. Most breakouts of trading ranges will fail. So I knew I should be looking for shorts at this point on. We have a new high, first entry long, second entry long, but we're not looking to go long now. We're looking to sell. So we're looking for traps. So I was looking for a second entry long failure. Failure came in after this bullish bar, which is not good. We are selling. So we're looking for as bearish bar as possible. Then we had this big bearish bar, and this would have been a trap, but I'm going to tell you guys why it failed. This is so early. This is 12:19 my time. It should be like 6:19 a.m. in US and nobody's trading this early. Market opens at 8:30. So you want to start trading at least at 7 or 7:30 at least. So, and this setup exactly as I came in. I was trying to get recording as quickly as I could because I knew I was going to record the video for you guys today, how I do it without a commentary. And it is a double bottom right here, first entry short, second entry short, high probability setup. It is a part of a failed second entry long. We're looking to go low to sell the market, and we're coming off the resistance. All the reasons trying to look for top here and to sell. Unfortunately, the runner got kicked out, and we have a breakout pullback pattern here. We're under EMA, we're under the trend line. This was a potential setup as well, this breakout pullback. Unfortunately, runner got stopped out, and I didn't have this trend line yet in play. And here was the key information that told me that sellers are no longer interested in selling the market, because if this is a valid trading range, we're supposed to go from lows to highs and from highs to lows. And notice how we stopped in the middle, and each new low is higher than the previous one. This is like a stairs pattern. You're walking up the stairs and each stair is higher and higher. So at this point on, I knew that there's something iffy. The sellers are not interested. And I was still looking for break and a new low. Don't get me wrong. That's according to trendline rules, price action rules. But EMA was supposed to be holding and we were supposed to go low. But here we have a big congestion and a big bullish bar. So once we spike through EMA like this, I knew that sellers really are not interested in selling the market. Buyers are coming in, and I completely abandoned the idea of looking to go short. And I tried to, this is a little bit of an aggressive trade. This is not a high probability trade according to our rules, but it's off the trend line. It is a breakout pullback. You broke this congestion, try to pull back. I didn't get filled, unfortunately, as you guys saw. Once we made this big bar, I exited the trade, and it's a shame because it would have worked. But here we have a resistance that is holding once again. There's a multiple tops here, and we have this lower high, nice bearish bar. I chickened out of this trade. I think I didn't even put my limit order in play. I was just toying with the idea of going short here. And I should have probably, but the safer way is to be looking to go long, because we have a break of this uptrend and we're looking for a new high, and we have this downtrend working lower, break and a new low. So according to trendline rules, we are now safe to be looking to go long. First entry long, second entry long, we would have survived this because we keep our stop one tick below the signal bar, quick easy scalp. And here is my mistake. I found the trend line and then I deleted it. I wasn't really paying attention, and I should have, because we came in and we have a confirmation of this support and this trend line. This is what we call a key entry point, and here high probability setups occur. So this is a definitely good buying opportunity, because once again, we're making higher lows each time. Market just is not selling. The support is holding here, trend line is holding. You have to jump on board, and you would have had gigantic runner. And now we have a 6 or 7 consecutive big bullish bars. So you know sellers are really abandoning the market. Buyers are in control. The key thing is here, we don't worry about these trades. We only worry about the highest probability setups at key entry points. So let this watch and let this go without you, and wait for the better setups. They will come. And we went into this congestion. And if you watch the video about congestion I made, you want to fade the breakout. It's the yesterday's video. And once we broke lower, I wasn't sold on the idea of going long here above this bar, because the half of the body is stem, but this second bullish bar is so big and confirmed that the EMA is holding prices. I just dropped my order and bought the market here, because we are now in an uptrend. EMA is putting up higher. We are in this two-tier channel. So, you know, you're looking for any reason to go long, and this is a failed break lower. Unfortunately, I exited the run right here. I wasn't expecting the market to turn into such a big uptrend. I thought we are going to bounce off this trend line and go lower. So I exited the run, and I was a little bit tired because I knew I was recording the video, and it's always a little bit difficult to do. But look how much money I left on the table. I kicked myself afterwards as I was watching the market the entire time. Man, the runner would have been gigantic, but what can you do? That's part of trading. And I want to have as less lines as possible. I don't want to get it too cluttered, so I'm going to delete the two-tier channel. And it ended up being, by the way guys, it ended up being probably a little bit of a bigger channel, something like, It probably ended up being something like this at the end of the day, this bigger 2-tier channel. So you can just adjust it as you go along. And here we have a big bullish bar off the key entry point, off the EMA. It is just a little bit of aggressive because it is a first entry and high probability setup is a second entry. So market is working up higher, but you don't want to buy these first entries far away from key entry point. You have a new high here, first entry long, second entry long. This is a high probability setup. This is what we want, second entry long, 2-legged pullback, 1 leg down, pullback, second leg down, 2 key entry points, EMA and the trend line. And we have a break and a new low, so this downtrend played out. So we're safe to look for buying opportunity. And market once again broke up higher, went into this consolidation once again. You know how you supposed to be trading the congestion. You fade the breakout, especially in such an uptrend. You're just looking for reasons to go long. Nice bullish bar, EMA is holding. You want to go long here, and you can make a case for taking, because at this point on, it's such a strong uptrend. You just want to buy almost anything, to be honest. And you can make a case for taking these trades because these are our trap. I guarantee you there are some traders who really think that the market is way overdone and it's time to reverse. It's not. These are only people taking their profits. All these corrections are people taking their profits, plus few crazy sellers are trying to pick top. And you're working up higher, and very similar pattern to what happened right here. 1 leg down, pullback, second leg down, downtrend played out with the break and a new low. It is a second entry long, 2-legged pullback, nice big bullish bar, second entry long, and it's off to key entry point EMA. So if you just wait for the prices to go to key entry points, you will improve your trading immensely. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the live video format. If you are getting value from this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.